Welcome. In today's video, I'll walk you through a quick and simple guide on how to delete your Telegram account automatically if you're away for 1 month using the Telegram app on your PC. This is a useful setting if you want your account to clean itself up in case you're inactive for a while, especially after the new update that makes the process even easier. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Once the app is open, look to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see 3 horizontal lines stacked together. Go ahead and click on those lines. This will open up the main menu where you can access all of your settings and options. From there, scroll down and select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see different categories, but the one we're looking for is Privacy and Security. Click on that. This section is where you control how your account behaves and manage features related to your privacy. Now, under the Delete My Account section, you'll notice an option called If Away For. This is the feature that allows you to choose a time frame for when your account should automatically be deleted if you're not using Telegram. By default, it might be set to a longer period, but we want to change it to 1 month. Click on If Away For, and you'll see a list of options such as 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, and so on. Choose 1 month. This means that if you don't log in or remain completely inactive on Telegram for 1 month, your account will automatically be deleted, along with all your data, chats, and media. After selecting 1 month, be sure to click Save so your changes are applied. And that's it. You've successfully set your Telegram account to delete itself after 1 month of inactivity. This is a handy feature if you value privacy, or if you're stepping away from the app for a while and want reassurance that your information won't just sit there unused. It only takes a minute to set up, but it gives you peace of mind. Thanks for watching.